There's a big controversy with regards to the NCERT's 12th standard political science book. NCERT has dropped the Ayodhya references from 12th standard textbooks. Babri Masjid, referred to as the three doomed structures. Congress has hit out. They call NCERT an RSS affiliate organization. Congress says NCERT must not give political pamphlets. There's a big controversy with regards to the NCERT, that is the National Council of Education, Research and Training. They've introduced several changes in the Class 12 political science textbook. The most notable change is the removal of the Babri Masjid, which has now been referred to as the three doomed structure. The Babri Masjid has been referred to as the three-domed structure. The Congress has hit out. They are saying NCERT has become an RSS affiliate organization. NCERT must not give political pamphlets. My colleague Anmol Bali is now joining me on the story. Anmol, we are seeing a big controversy now with regards to the removal of certain chapters and with regards to what the NCERT has done. 12th standard books now do not have the word Babri Masjid. They now have the word the three-domed structure.
Aishwarya, recently National Council of Education, Research and Training has made various changes in the NCERT curriculum for the class 11th and 12th, especially for the political science, and they will be rolling out this new syllabus for the 2024 session where they have replaced Babri Masjid with the three-dome structure, and various other things like 2 pages have been removed from the Ayodhya chapter, and they have also removed many content related to the Gujarat rights and various other sensitive content. And in this matter, it is also seen that politics have started escalating on this issue, and senior Congress leader Jairam Ramesh has now hit out at the Bharatiya Janata Party as well as on the National Education Research and Training, where he has clearly said that the National Education Research and Training is now Nagpur Narendra Council for Education Research and Training. He has also criticized the NCERT on the issue of NEET, and he has also mentioned in his tweet about the class 11th political science curriculum, where he has said that earlier the secularism which was mentioned in the class 11th political science textbooks now have been mentioned as a criticizing word, has been mentioned as a criticizing chapter in the book, and as well as the political party aligned with the secularism ideology of secularism. He has hit out the Bharatiya Janata Party and NCERT. On the other hand, NCERT Director Dinesh Solanki, while talking with PTI, has clearly mentioned why these changes were made. He has said we have no intention to teach our students about rights and about the violence, and the politics is escalating, Aishwarya.
Right, Anmol, the politics obviously escalating. The Congress is now saying that education now has, streaks of what the RSS wants children to study. But we are also seeing that the RSS chairperson is now saying what's right is now being added, what is not right for the children and for the syllabus as a whole is now being deleted. Anmol, we are also seeing that this has become BJP, RSS versus the Congress. The Congress is now saying that the removal and the kind of words that are being added is not correct.
Yeah, basically it was seen that class 12th NCERT of political science has seen various changes in this new curriculum. Not only the chapters related to Gujarat right and Ayodhya have been tweaked, but various other news clippings which used to be on the pages of the old NCERT have been also removed, like removal of Kalyan Singh government while the Babri Masjid demolition, and many other things have been removed. And now Congress is up in arms against the Bharatiya Janata Party. They're targeting the National Education Research and Training, and earlier also
Manikam Tagore is now joining me on the story. Mr. Tagore, controversy now, obviously, because the way in which words have been removed and the new words that have been added. Saffronization of education is the charge that is now being leveled on NCERT.
Yeah, we all know that RSS is controlling the NCERT, and those people who are affiliated with the RSS are included into the NCERT, and they are controlling this kind of narrative. The communal agenda of RSS is being spread through the education system, and the education minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, sits as a spectator. This is very unfortunate that we are able to see this situation where NCERT is becoming an organization which prints pamphlets for RSS. This is unacceptable, and we will continue to raise these issues in the parliament, and we will question the education minister's silence on this issue.
Mr. Tagore, you are making a very important statement there. You are saying this is an issue which will go to the parliament, and this is something that the Congress party will raise with the education minister. And this is an issue because you are saying that now NCERT has started issuing pamphlets for the RSS.
Yes, I had. This is because the government, which is allowing NCERT to do this kind of activities, is unacceptable, and the government has completely surrendered RSS organizations these kind of activities.
Thank you, Mr. Tagore, Congress MP, who's now saying that this is an issue that will reach the Parliament of the country, and the Congress will ask questions of the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan.